So creative industries and yung Creative Industries Charter of the Philippines o yung RA 11904 na na inotor o ginawa ng ating minamahal na Senator Ramon Bong Revilla Jr. na taga Bacoor, Cavite. So, ano tong creative industries? So, based dun sa Wikipedia, ito raw yung industry na concern sa exploitation and generation of knowledge. So, ibig sabihin, nagge-generate siya ng knowledge at ine-exploit niya yung knowledge na yon into jobs. Kumbaga, gumagawa siya ng trabaho out of those knowledge or knowledges. So, ito raw advertising, architecture, art, design, fashion, film, video games, TV, radio, and software and R&D. So, yung software, yung software, which is yung computer science and information technology, part ng creative industries. So, based dun, meron na tayong Creative Industries Council of the Philippines at yung ex-officio government agencies na members nito. Ang chairman nito ay yung secretary ng Department of Trade and Industry, yung Department of Education, Department of Science and Technology, National Economic Development Authority, Department of Information and Communications Technology, Department of Interior and Local Government, Commission on Higher Education, National Commission for the Culture and the Arts, and yung IPOPhil. So makikita na natin doon pa lang sa tinatawag natin na sa creative industries, kasama rin pala yung education. Ayan, nakalimutan natin na kasama sa creative industries yung education. So, dun pa lang sa mga government agencies na ex-officio members, ibig sabihin, automatic na yung cabinet secretary membro ng Creative Industries Council of the Philippines. Dun pa lang makikita mo na part yung kasi may DICT. No? Magkasama yung business and yung DICT and then yung DICT, tsaka yung DepEd, magkakasama yan. Tsaka yung IPOPhil. So, ibig sabihin, kasama rin dito yung intellectual property kasi nagke-create pwede mong ipatent. Nag-i-evolve yung thinking mo. So, yung audiovisual domain, yung digital domain, yung multimedia part, doon makikita yung video games, doon makikita yung creative industries. So, mabuti na pag-aaralan natin yan kasi yung IT pala at ComSci part ng creative industries. So, yun lang pa.